Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The crypto business is viewed as a situation with two sides. While certain ventures work with prevalent speculation potential open doors, some end up in extortion. Veracity, VRA, is one such remarkable task that upholds an extraordinary licensed confirmation of view agreement instrument, through which it means to determine the NFT extortion and difficulties of video web-based. Since its appearance, Veracity Cost has accomplished huge additions with the resulting advancement of its utilization cases in the video promoting industry. As the undertaking means to empower distributors and game engineers across the globe, it has figured out how to bait savvies, who have been enthusiastic about the value projection of its local resource VRA. Is it true that you are intense about putting resources into VRA, yet worried about its future possibilities? Fret not, as we disentangle the conceivable value expectation of the altcoin for 2022 and the years to come. Veracity, VRA, price prediction for 2022. Veracity's VRA had proceeded with its transition to 2022 in a downtrend and with a sticker price of $0.0349. As the altcoin hit its RSI at 29.51, purchasers in the space assisted the cost with moving to $0.035 by the 13th of January. The spike was brief as unpredictability in the business prompted the altcoin tracking down help at $0.0195. Subsequent to gathering in the locale, VRA skipped on an advantage to $0.0336 by the 10th of February. Neglecting to support in the midst of the strained qualities in the globe, hauled the value back to its pivotal degree of $0.0195. While VRA endeavored an advantage to $0.024 by the beginning of March, the strength of merchants further exacerbated the sideways pattern. It was on the 27th of March when a bullish spike in volumes assisted VRA with shutting the quarter at $0.029. The subsequent quarter was a deceptive lane for Veracity, very much like some other digital currency in the business. In the midst of the far-reaching choppiness, VRA lost more than 80% in esteem by the last day of the subsequent quarter, when the altcoin was changing hands at $0.3761. VRA price forecast for Q3. In the event that the computerized resource figures out how to convey forward the final part of the year on a bullish note, while looking for supplements from prominent occasions like the public send-off of NFT Commercial Center MVP, among others, the cost of VRA could flood to a limit of $0.00676. On the other hand, assuming the convention neglects to stand consistent with its responsibilities, the cost could droop down to $0.00478. Obliged by the direct cost direction, the ordinary exchanging cost could find its base at $0.00563. Veracity price forecast for Q4. The final quarter could transform into a distinct advantage for the computerized resource, if the arranged occasions around Vera Wallet, Vera Esports, Identity, and Access Management, among others, yield the ideal outcomes. In such a situation VRA could move up to $0.00847. Be that as it may, factors like negative analysis or a potential market decline could cut the cost to $0.00591. Calculating in the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could land at $0.00705. VRA price prediction for 2023. On the off chance that the convention figures out how to lay out its unmistakable quality in the crypto business. What's more, figures out how to enable its user base, the digital money could flood to lay out a top at $0.01614. Nonetheless, assuming that the area it takes care of ebbs in position, the cost could drop to $0.00736. Progressively, considering in the bullish and negative focuses on the altcoin could settle at $0.01100. Value prediction of VRA for 2024. The undertaking could observe developing receptions and coordinated efforts at the appointed time. In such a case, VRA could flood to a limit of $0.02723. On the drawback, assuming that the convention neglects to upkeep its user base, the cost could travel south toward its likely low of $0.0129. That being said, the absence of satisfying drives could finish up the year at $0.0185. Veracity price prediction for 2025. As the video real-time industry, NFT's commercial center and gaming space are supposed to thrive in forthcoming years. With its promising occasions in line, what's to come is by all accounts moderate for Veracity, with new achievements are anticipated on its way. In the event that the organization effectively accomplishes the arranged updates according to its guide, then the VRA cost might hit $0.0417 toward the finish of 2025. On the other side, in the event that the stage neglects to engage the footing of the client base, also succumbs to boundless guesses, the bears may effortlessly dominate. In such a case, the VRA cost might confront a ruin to $0.0207. On the other hand, compelled by a direct force, the normal cost could find its base at $0.02961. What is Veracity, VRA? Veracity, VRA, is a convention for esports and video entertainment stages that works with a special licensed proof-of-view agreement system to determine the NFT cheats and issues connected with video promoting. The product offerings float across various undertakings, however, are totally based on the proof-of-view agreement system as their backbone. The Veracity has its own local token called VRA. Notwithstanding, the stage upholds Vera wallet on its blockchain, on which the VRA token could be used as the essential cash to partake in video gaming and publicizing. Additionally, the proof-of-view agreement instrument records each view on the record as genuine. What's more, offers partners inside the video promotion space a straightforward media for enlisting natural human perspectives continuously. The stage urges to engage the quickly developing esports and gaming stages by working with Proficient Server Foundation, POV Security Instrument, and Vera Player. Central analysis. Veracity, VRA, was established on May 18, 2018 by R.J. Mark. The pioneer holds significant involvement with the video and media industry. R.J. Mark has amassed information in the innovative work of pressure programs for video real-time applications, utilized at Action TV in the United Kingdom in 2000. Besides, he had filled in as the CEO of DataCard, an information the executives organization. He further figured out how to find different organizations in the security, the board and media industry. Earlier he began with Veracity. David Archer, a head of Veracity Foundation, has finished his graduation from the London School of Economics and Political Science. Different